Hey, what's up, guys? Sammy again here from the moon. And actually, what I want to do, we want to. I decided to make a new playlist in my YouTube channel to to make and analyze viruses, keyloggers, and those things. And today I want to write a simple virus in Java and just write it, discuss about it, and we are going to see how we can clean it, and just take a look how a virus is going to behave when infected a computer or something like that. Okay, as you see, I have here a simple class. I'm calling it as virus, and this is really simple one. And I remember me last time when I saw it, it was about Windows 95, 98, Millennium, those years. Okay, the point is that it's maybe about 15 years back, but the logic is the same. As you see, we can make the same program is also still running with the same logic. Okay, let's uh, let's let's begin it and just okay, guys, I am going to make a class. Okay, this is our class, and what I want to make, I want to make here two static. I can make also into separate classes, but uh, I want to go to continue like this. I want to make an array of string, and I'm going to name it as A. I'm going to again make a static method because I want use it everywhere what I want. Okay, it's a file. It's going to import the file library, Java input output. Sorry, guys. It's a shiny day, and that's why I decided to make a coffee and just sitting with you guys to do something. Okay, and now here I've made it to a variable, static file, array, and static file. I'm going to make public static void main string as here is our our main class, and here I want to open a try and catch because I know that we are going to. Okay, here again now I have here an array of file. It can be directory, file, everything, and here I've made that, and that's why I'm saying path is our file dot list roots. Here with this line we want to get a list of roots, or other words, we want to get first approach, we want to get all of directories, all of drives here, what available are. And let me out, I'm saying path, and that's why I have to array guys, let me paths, just let me array, yeah, well, let me see, or or we get where is our fault? I'm not seeing. Okay, here let me just run it to see if we get the list. Oh yeah. And okay, here with this line of code we get all of roots, all of our directories, and that's why, and that's actually for that, because we want to do something with our root that we get. Okay, and first step to get info about a victim's machine. And guys, let me say that I'm making this video educational purpose, and it's not actually to misuse that, because these are not workable anymore. Just if you want to take a look from educational sides. Okay, and now I know it's working. I'm going to remove this, okay, and when I get it, I don't need it anymore, this one. I'm saying okay, I want now to make a for loop, and in my for loop I'm going to use my file, my path is what I'm getting. It's just the advanced for loop to iterate in my directory to my root. I'm again saying R is equal path.list. Just someone messaging me when I'm starting to record it. She just starting to message me, and I miss my focus sometimes because I forget at the time. And if you break me now, maybe I forget what I was talking about. Okay, and that's why if you see sometimes I miss my focus, or I don't know for a while what I did, because a lady just sending a message to me and she break my damn focus. Okay, here in my for loop, A is gonna be our path list, and if I want to do that, I say A, and like before I'm doing like this to see what we get. Wait, okay, wait wait me finish it. Okay, and just here like this, and here under my print line I'm going to say while true, because it's just true. And why I'm saying that it's just true? Because here I want to make a for loop again, and here in my for loop I'm defining x as a variable that's 0, and I'm going to say length greater than x. That's just like that, because this condition, if you look, x is 1 and length is greater than x. As you saw here before, you saw I had Windows CD, and that's in if you take a look, that's just bigger than 1, and this condition is just true, never stopped. With other words, is undefined, unlimited for loop. Okay, and now here what I want to do in my for loop, okay, this is just for loop, something repeated, and what I want to repeat, I'm saying I want here my file, I'm going to name it as file1. I'm saying new file, and in my new file I have path. What I have here, path, my path, the files what are inside. I had an array of x, with other words, here I have a path name. It's coming from my directory, my root. You saw that C, D, E, and directories inside, and this one is going to actually, this is repeated 3 times. It's mean x is 1 plus plus is 3, and this means this line is saying the files that you are facing to, what the file you are seeing, you have to repeat it 3 times. Okay, let me go further, and we are seeing what I mean. And here, when you face that, if that file is a type of directory, it's really clear, Java really clear. And if is that a directory, just, you know what you are going to do for me. Desktop API, desktop is equal new, no, desktop dot get desktop dot get desktop. It say every time you run that, just get desktop for me. And after that, when you got desktop for me, what I want to do you more, when you got that, you say, hey, I'm making here a file, and now I want to say which directory you have to open. I'm saying here directory to open is equal directory to open is equal new file, and inside of that again path x. Okay, just do this. Sorry guys. And here, because I want to check it here, give me a south tested, and after that I want you say desktop dot open with the directory to open. And you got it's type of junky punky. You get there, you pass it here, again you have to put it somewhere else, and here just again give me test2, because I want to see if I'm running somewhere, test2. And here 2 for I'm going here, I have tried 2 4 5, and here I am going to do catch input output exception. It's a type of E, and here I'm saying S out, just back E to me, and here again S out by Armin Java 11. Let me check. Okay, with other words, you see it's really simple one. And let me check it, and what I expect, I'm expecting I run that and just see. Look, you see it's just killing my computer. Just let me stop it. You see that? Wait, as you see here, you see let me just first close them. In 5 minutes you have to restart your PC. It's no other way to stop it, because just simplest one. Let me. It's real nasty, huh? I remember me many years back. This is it. this was a story of online. Okay, guys, what I want to do, wait, I want to say here desktop open, and here just give me that directory you are going to, just give me two, just one, just I want to show you something. Just stop it because I don't want really see, just very fast before it's running. Oh, take a look, it's run, but I've stopped it really fast. Okay, take a look here. Here with this line we are getting our files here in our C drive. Here is our root, and you see our agent. Now you see everything, and also hidden files. These are our directory and files. And here test, I'm coming there, and take a look. Take the first one because it's iterating all of them. Here Armin, boekopdrachten, and just so on, and just so on. And this is actually a simple virus that made it in Java, and it's really because we want to begin from easy to high, from easy to pro, and for better understanding we have to know the basics of how they work, how a virus works. Or you see, it's nothing more than just a for loop and some input output file. Oké jongens, dit was het voor vandaag, en ik ga wel deze video op een andere playlist zetten, en die noemen we gewoon viruses of security of weet ik veel. En ik zie jullie wel gewoon een andere keer. Oké guys, see you next time. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.